Rosehip Seed Oil in a 4OZ amber bottle. Number 1 rated, premium grade and lifetime warranty. Gaia Purity provides natural, premium grade rosehip seed oil that contains no chemicals or pesticides. If you are at any point ever unsatisfied with your purchase, we will provide a 100% full refund, guaranteed. Deep skin hydration. Gaia Purity Rosehip Oil soaks deep into dry or damaged skin and does not leave a greasy residue, allowing it to quickly replenish and revitalize your skin to a healthily youthful glow. Diminish marks. Gaia Purity Rosehip Seed Oil will give your skin a glowing, radiant, and clear complexion as it diminishes old and new acne scars, wrinkles, crow's feet, stretch marks, striae, skin tags, cellulite marks, fine lines, eczema, age spots, and sunspots. Excellent lipstick primer, lip healer and lip balm as well. Anti-aging. Our oil is the perfect anti-aging serum with natural hydration, anti-inflammatory, fatty acids, and antioxidant properties known to work quickly to tightening and restore elasticity to loose and sagging skin. Soft amazing skin, as it restores and revitalizes moisture levels. Gaia Purity's Rosehip Seed Oil will smooth out and soften your silky skin. Get more info, please click link in below description and 50% discount offer available this product. Please subscribe this channel, get update more videos.